Hello guys and welcome to my channel. My name is Madalena, this is my channel MadLife, and today's video it's gonna be a vlog about Rotterdam, what we're doing in Rotterdam when we stay here. I'm currently in one of the NH hotels that we're staying, and me and two other colleagues are gonna go to Rotterdam city center, but first we have to walk to the train for 20 or 30 minutes, and then we're gonna take the train and go to the city center. We are planning to go for dinner and maybe a glass of wine, who knows, we will see. That's kind of it. If you're interested in the stewardess life and what are we doing in layovers, just continue watching. So here on the left side is the bathroom, the sink, toilet, bathtub, massive mirror, then a closet, some free coffee and tea here, desk with a chair, two beds. And let's see the view. Nothing much, just a parking with a lake, I guess. Yep, that's it. So we're gonna take the train now to the city center, and it will cost about €3 per person. This is it. This is the central station, and we are gonna go for a glass of wine now. We got hungry, so we decided to come to a restaurant, and I will show you the menu in just a second. And no, he is not on the menu. So we decided to take half of roasted chicken with vegetables or fries and some wine, and everything was for about €10 per person, so it was quite cheap. Now we're waiting to go to an escape room. It's so exciting!
So we have to focus ourselves. It's important to survive, otherwise we will die.
Hey guys, so last night was so crazy. So as probably you have seen the footage, you saw that me and the crew planned to go out for dinner, but we ended up having a lot of drinks. We went to an escape room. We were just passing by, so we just decided it was like a last minute decision to go inside. That was pretty fun. I would recommend it. Yeah, of course they didn't let us film in the escape room. We weren't allowed with phones and watches, with anything. If you're in Rotterdam, you should probably go. It's a great experience. And after that, we were planning to go for more drinks, but we ended up in a club, and that was so much fun too. We had some fun. It was a really nice night with the crew out, so I'm just gonna go to the city mall, I don't know, to Alexandria Mall. So let's see what they have there. We're gonna go for some shopping, and yeah, this should be nice. Tonight we'd have to leave in like 8 hours, but I still have time for some shopping. Okay, so I'm ready to go now. This is what I'm gonna wear, just a casual outfit. So see you later. So this is the hotel where we are staying. There's pretty much nothing around it. I'm gonna have to walk for like 30 minutes to get to the mall, but yeah, there's nothing I can do in the hotel, so I might just go for a walk and maybe buy something. Hello there. We're just chilling by the lake. So I started to walk, and the second I exited the hotel it started to rain. Cool. And I don't have an umbrella. I just hope it's gonna stop soon or I get to the mall, because yeah, it's raining. It's not nice. Okay guys, so the rain stopped, the sun is shining, the wind is still blowing. I finished my walk and my shopping. As you can see, I bought some stuff, and now I'm going back to the hotel. Still a 20 minutes walk, but it's nice outside now. And I have to get ready. No, actually I have to sleep a bit first, then get ready, and then go to my flight. I hope you enjoyed this weird video. And don't forget to subscribe, and see you in the next one.